Hello friends, hope you guys are well. So today I'm gonna show you how to work and make money online with Pico Workers. After watching this video, you're gonna know how to work on this platform and make money online. First of all, go to your internet browser, then search PICO Workers. Then you can see a site on this top. Click on this site. After reaching this site, you can see the site interface. The site name is Pico Workers. Many people work on this site every day. They can make money easily by doing small tasks and many works. First of all, to work on this site, you have to make an account. To make an account, you can see a sign up icon here. Click on the sign up. Then you can see this interface. It says you have to put your real name, your email address, password, confirm password, nickname, and select your country. You can see many countries here. So select your own country, like mine is Bangladesh, so I'll select Bangladesh. After that, you can see select your profile type. Select the desired profile type now, but you can switch between them later. You can switch between your profile later. Now we are working on this side, so you're gonna select I'm a worker. Select I'm a worker. Then click on this I agree to Pico Workers terms and service privacy policy. Click on this. Then click on send me news, events and offers via a periodic email. Then click on sign up. After doing this, you will get your account. Then go to login. Then login with your email. After login, you can see an interface like this. It says our community rules. Make sure you read the rules correctly. First, do not use any VPN proxy other making IP address software. To operate multiple accounts, do not use same computer. Also, do not use many accounts, same IP address. Do not use the same IP address to account to do this task. You have to read all of these rules carefully. Then click on I agree. It's now your account is ready. Now you can work and earn money easily. These are the small works you can do them really quick and submit your work. Then they will review your work and pay you the money. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna work. Now you can see these tags, TikTok follow, then many kind of work you can see Instagram follow, GG making test, visit 1x, baby registration sign up, etc. Now click on this any of this work. Now like I'm gonna click on this TikTok follow, click on it. Then you can see first time submitting a task. Let us know little more about you. Select your gender, male or female here. So I'll select male. Then you can see your date of birth, put them, your city address, your security question, then save the answer. Now you can see the job here, TikTok follow. What this job required, you can see exclude countries, then many employers. How do you hold this job? You can see do you want to hold this job? Then what expected from workers? Go to this link, follow the account, then there is a note you can see we will check every worker's report if you try to cheat. So do not cheat. Then they will need a proof. First TikTok name in the link, then your TikTok username. Submit your proof below here. Then you can see TikTok username. Put your username here. Then click on submit proof. Click on here this submit proof. After that they will review your work and pay you the money. How much money you're gonna get from this work? You can see here you are gonna get 0.20 cent. Go back and let's see more work. You can see the micro jobs here. There are 45 results. Then you can see a Instagram follow. Click on this job. Then read the how do you gonna job. Then you can see what is expected from workers. First of all, go to this link, then follow the page. Number 3, don't do this job if you're already following this page. If you're already doing this job, then don't follow the page. Note, we will check every workers. If you try to cheat, they'll review the work, so don't try to cheat. Then what's the proof you're gonna do this work? Instagram page name, your Instagram username. Submit your proof below. Put your Instagram username here. Then Instagram username, type your Instagram username, then click on submit proof. After submitting your work, if you do this work correctly, they are gonna pay you about 0.30 cent. Then they will send you this cent to your account. This is new account, so our earning is 0. You can see many work here, like Gmail, create an account, create a Gmail account. Click on this work. Let's see how to do this work. Gmail, create an account. They're gonna pay you about 0.80 cent. Finish job, submit the proof. Or how you're gonna do this job? First of all, what expected from workers? Number 1, only new Gmail accounts. You have to create a new Gmail account. Then go to gmail.com. Then create a Gmail account. After that, only user names from this link. Then use this Lesbian Business Recovery email address. Choose a strong password. Choose good username that contains first and last name both. Number 7, choose good username that contains first and last both name. Number 8, sign out of your device. If you not sign out on your device, I cannot view. You have to sign it from your device. Then create Gmail address, password used there, certain date, record proof that task was finished. Create Gmail address. Number 2, password use, certain date, sign out from your device. You have to prove this works. Then you can submit your work here. Created Gmail address, then password used on your Gmail address, put it here. Then create your certain date. Then you have to put a screenshot of the work here. After that, you can type your comment here. Then click on submit proof. After that, they'll review your work. If you do this work correctly, they are gonna pay you about 0.80 cent. This is a really good amount. You can do this work all day. There are many kind of work like this. Now, how you're gonna take the payment? You can see a menu icon here. Click on the menu icon. Here is the icon. Then you can see wallet. Click on wallet. After that, you can see your wallet here. Withdrawal are proceeded within 10 business of date placing a request. You have to work at least 10 days to place a request. Now you can see transitions. Click on transitions. This is new account, so there is no transition yet. After that, you can see withdrawals. You have to work 10 days to work on this money. After working on that, you can take your payment within PayPal or many other selections. So thanks for watching this video. Hope see you on the next video. Goodbye.